Manchester Airport is on a bearing of 330 degrees from the London Airport, from a London airport. We have to find the bearing of the London Airport from Manchester Airport. First of all, 330 degrees. It means if we have our London Airport here, because we are measuring Manchester Airport from London Airport. So this is London Airport. It's on a bearing of 330 degrees. Now we know that our 330 is going to be somewhere up here. So I'm going to redraw my diagram. This is my London Airport. 180 degrees, 270, 330 is going to be somewhere here. So this is, let's call this 330 degrees. All the angle all the way around like this. So this is our Manchester Airport. So the question tells us that Manchester Airport is on a bearing of 330 from London Airport. Now we have to find the bearing of London Airport from Manchester Airport. Like we have explained, under bearing, you are going to be turning from the north in a clockwise direction until you get to the point. So if you are turning from the north in a clockwise until you get to this place, that's our bearing of London Airport from Manchester Airport. And to get this bearing, we're going to do 90 degrees plus this angle alpha. So the bearing of London Airport from Manchester Airport is going to be 90 plus alpha. But how do we get our alpha? If you notice, this alpha is also what is alternate to this, alternate angle. So if you can get this angle, then we can just get this angle, which means that is alpha. And to get alpha is easy. You know, all the way to this point is 180 degrees. To this point is 270 degrees. So it means that alpha is 330, take away 270. All right? Because that is just the alpha. So, and the whole of this angle is 330. So when you subtract 270, which is the remaining of this, you're going to get the alpha. And 330 minus 270 is what? 60 degrees. All right? So if alpha is 60 degrees, that means that the bearing of London Airport from Manchester Airport is going to be 90 plus 60. And that's going to give us 150 degrees. And that is the bearing of London Airport from Manchester Airport. If the bearing of Manchester Airport from London Airport is 330 degrees, then the bearing of London Airport from Manchester Airport by our calculation right here is going to be 150 degrees. I hope that explains it. And it's very simple, it's very easy, it's very sweet and fantastic. Mathematics is amazing, right? Okay, call you to subscribe to the channel, to follow us, to give it a thumb up, like, and share it with all the students that are in your sphere of influence that you know that this would be of benefit to. And that would be a great one to do. And we'll see you again in another class. Thank you and have a great time. Bye-bye.